Hello guys, I'm your host again, Adnan Rafiq from Exchange IT Pro. In this video, I'm gonna do a short demo of installing Exchange 2019. First thing first, Exchange 2019 is not available for regular download. Exchange 2019 is only available for people with volume licensing. So unfortunately, this is not an option for you. So let's get started and see what's in this lab, how you are going to install, and this will give you a look and feel of Exchange 2019. So since this lab consists of only one server and I'm going to install as we go, there are a list of prerequisites and all those stuff, all those steps. I'm gonna put that link below my YouTube. So you can find the link to Microsoft website. So as we go on, we just installed those requirements, and now there is one more prerequisites. Now since I have packaged for Exchange 2016, now I'm kicking off the setup file to start with the start wizard. Then this will start copying the files, and once that is done, we'll just start with the regular basic installation of a single server. Now as you can see, the process is same as previous version like Exchange 2016, nothing new. Whole process, there is no difference. Installation of 2019 and 2016 is pretty much exactly the same as you can see here. Now if you see here, it errored out, it says the server needs to be rebooted and there are some components are missing. So as I said, I just ran the setup, I installed a couple of prerequisites, but there are some configuration that needs to be taken care of. So I did it intentionally and let the system error out, so I know what needs to be done. And just also for the educational purpose, you can see here on the screen. So what I'm gonna do, gonna go to that Microsoft website, download those specific KB and the requirements, and I'll do the installation. So let's fast forward and come to the installation. Now as soon as the file copying is done, we'll see it should start installing Exchange setup now. So again, going through the process. So far so good. Just going through the readiness checklist, looking for prerequisites, and once it verifies all the prerequisites are there, it should start the process of the installation. As you can see, is expected since I'm installing Exchange on the domain controller, because this is just a lab, and I'll just ignore it and start doing the installation. As you can see, step 1 of 14. So it will take some time. What I'm gonna do is pause my video here and come back once the installation completes. As you see, that setup is completed now. So let's launch the Exchange Admin Center. And finally, here you go, you see the Exchange management shell. Now as you can see on the screen, Exchange version and the build number, which shows that it is Exchange 2019. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and for more future video, please do subscribe my channel and follow me on Twitter. Thank you.